A lot of people have been battling with connecting their Grass to their Solana wallet. So in this video, I'm going to walk how to easily connect it successfully. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you download your Solana wallet. So if I come to Play Store or your Apple Store, then you download Solana wallet. You can download Sophia wallet or Phantom wallet. So those are the two reliable wallets you can download. And when you download, create new wallet if you don't have already. So after creating a new wallet, the next thing you must do is to come and copy your Grass link. So you copy your Grass link, then you go to your wallet. So I'll be using Phantom wallet for this explanation. So we're going to be using Phantom wallet. So you log in into your Phantom wallet. When you come to your Phantom wallet, the next thing you need to do is to come here. You can see the highlighted place. So when you come there, the place is just like a browser. So if you look at the top corner here, you can see you can enter your URL there. So we're going to paste the Grass URL we copied. You're going to paste it there, then you click on go. So it will load, then the Grass interface will pop up. From here, you need to log in with your details. So I'm going to log in now. So after entering your details, you log in. So I'm logging in now. So after successfully logging, you need to come to reward section. So this is the reward section here. So then in your reward section, you're going to see connect wallet. So you're going to tap on connect wallet. So here there's an interface displaying showing phantom detected. You get. So then you are going to click on that phantom detected. Within a tick of an eye, it will bring an interface for you to connect. So it said you should verify your. So you click on verify. Then you confirm again. It said sign had been successful. So now it said confirm wallet email. So the next thing you need to do, just to click on send verification. Then so just checking your, I'm going to check my email now. So this is the verification. They are going to click on verify wallet address. So I have successfully verified my wallet email. Now it said wallet successfully verified. Simple step, very easy. So if you are looking for other tap and non-telegram airdrop that are reliable like Grass, check the link in the description of this video to get started. Make sure you follow the process I've highlighted. It will really guide and help you to successfully connect your wallet to your Grass. Do well to subscribe to the channel. See you next time for more exciting updates.